Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can enroll into the Macquarie Bank. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.macquarie.com.au and hit enter. After the home page of the Macquarie Bank opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the login button, a menu will open up on your screen. On that menu, find the Macquarie Online option and click on it. After you click on the Macquarie Online option, you will be directed to another page. In this page, you will have to find the New to Internet Banking Register Now button, which is located at the bottom of your screen, and click on it. Once you click on that option, you will be directed to another page. In this page, you will have to fill in some credentials. You will have to fill in your Macquarie ID here and your mobile number here, and then click on Submit. Make sure that you filled in your credentials correctly. After you click on the Submit button, and if you have filled in your credentials correctly, you'll be further directed to another page which will help you to register for the Macquarie Bank. I hope this video helped you to register to the Macquarie Bank. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.